Every year I have to refill the salt tank in my soft water system. I'm putting some new salt in here and it looks kind of nasty down at the bottom. I want to clean all that out. So I'm using the Craftsman 9-gallon wet dry vac. This sludge down here at the bottom is pretty nasty and I want to get all this out of here before I put the fresh salt in. It looks like this Craftsman wet dry vac is doing a really good job. Some people say this thing doesn't work very good, but it seems to be doing a really good job for me. It's got plenty of suction. Just remember to take off the paper filter, and then this thing will have plenty of suction when you're sucking up water and sludge like this. I don't know how it is where you live, but out here in Arizona, the water's really hard and these salt water systems are really nice to have. If you want to see more of my videos about the Craftsman wet dry vac, I'll have a link in the description and a link at the end of the video. Alright, we're starting fresh, nice clean salt. Okay, now we're recharging it. And we're all set. If you want to see more videos about my water softener system, let me know in the comments.